All right, Michael, let's pop over and see how the team are doing in America, lad.
Oh, 100 cement. That's a grand idea, Jackie.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. Captain Duncan here, assisted by First Officer Banfield. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy this 12-hour flight.
Just so you know, my name is Jim, and to be honest with you, it feels like I have been working on this project for most of my career. Our biggest challenge has been an indecisive customer, which hasn't helped with my gray hair either. We have been through multiple different layouts, and only now are we finalizing. To give you an idea, we are on version 24 of the project's utility matrix.
Our biggest learning curve has been learning to work as a team. Our team is very new, and this is our first time working together. We have people from all over the world who have many different unique skill sets coming together to execute this project. We have since found our operating rhythm and are well on our way to confidently delivering this sizable project for La Terra Fina.
Our greatest achievement was standing up TSL's first ever tilt wall project. I get stiff just thinking about it. Everything went smoothly, from the panel forming to the concrete pour, straight up to the lift. Bosh. The largest lift was a panel 30 foot by 52 foot, weighing in at a whopping 162,000 pounds, using a 350 ton crane that weighed 750,000 pounds. That's imperial, not none of your metric crap.
Orale, listen, man. La Terra Fina arranged a forklift rodeo at the plant. It was off the hook, man. There was basketball, bowling, obstacle courses. Hell, there was even cowboys. I got in a slam dunk, and Richard went around the racetrack like he was Fernando Alonso. Buena fiesta, La Terra Fina!
Okay, I'll tell you, Vicky's boys were brand new, so they were.
What Dave is trying to say is, the most supportive contractor award goes to EarthTech. Vic and his team have constantly gone above and beyond, helping with many things outside of their scope.
Believe me, a lot of people at La Terra Fina are saying it's the greatest project they've ever seen. Quite frankly, that's not fake news. It's tremendous. This project is unbelievably successful. These walls are huge.
Hey! Donald, where's your PPE? Get off my job site! Muppet!